can discuss about the various chemicals derived from common salt. You all know that common salt is daily used in our food. It is obtained from seawater. Industrially, we studied that it is prepared with the reaction between an acid and base. So common salt, that is the chemical formula NaCl. It is having an acid HCl and base NaOH. These two react together to give NaCl. So our topic is which are the chemicals that can be obtained from sodium chloride. In this chapter, you are mainly studying about sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, washing soda, baking soda and plaster of Paris. First we can discuss how is sodium hydroxide derived from NaCl. Before entering to that, we have to study two new terms, that is what is a brine and what is chlor-alkali process. First we can discuss what is a brine. Brine is a solution of sodium chloride and water. The process of electrolysis involves using an electric current to bring about a chlor-alkali process is defined as the chlor-alkali process is an industrial process for the electrolysis of sodium chloride solutions. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that is brine, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. The process is called chlor-alkali process because of the products formed, chlor for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. The chemical equation for chlor-alkali process can be written as 2NaCl plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. Chlor-alkali process can be explained with the help of a diagram. The experimental setup for the chlor-alkali process is given in the diagram. When electricity is passed through aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it is understood that it decomposes to give sodium hydroxide. During the reaction, the chlorine is given off at the anode and hydrogen at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. The three products formed in this reaction are all useful. So from the arrangement you understood that chlorine is released at the anode, hydrogen at the cathode and sodium hydroxide is released near cathode. All these three products are useful for us in many ways. Chlorine is used for the manufacture of hydrochloric acid, plastic manufacture, disinfectant and purifier. Sodium hydroxide is used for paper manufacturing, food processing, removal of pollutants from water and making of artificial fibers. Hydrogen is used for making pollution-free oil, manufacture of hydrochloric acid and ammonia for fertilizers. So students, by now we have learned that the salt formed by the combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution is called sodium chloride. This is the salt that you use in food and it is a neutral salt. So students, you understood that by the chlor-alkali process of molten NaCl, we got the first important product, that is sodium hydroxide. Together with that, hydrogen and chlorine is released.